Hey guys, Sawyer here with the Toolkit. We're at Papé Machinery, Ag and Turf in Donald. Here to talk about what? Here today to talk to you about a few things that we support. So we're going to talk about the X350 real quick. So in this lineup, you have the X330, an X350, an X354, and an X370.
You're not going to have a tilt steering wheel. You're going to have a pretty standard seat. You're going to be able to lift about 700 pounds in the bucket. So you hook up your draft arm and your center link to this quick hitch. This now replaces the ability.
I got asked, can I move my boat or trailer with my tractor? And the answer is absolutely.
The big question I get asked is, what's the right tractor for my property? Well, those are two questions you need to ask yourself and your salesman when determining that.
Here to talk about what's going to be the best tractor tread for your property. Here we have the whether it's tractors, gators, steel, and Honda equipment, we're going to be giving you tips and advice on how to do anything you need to do to make your property the best property out there. Hey guys, thanks for watching today's Toolkit video. If you want to see more, check out these videos here and here. Please subscribe so you see more content that we're going to be putting out. If you want to follow us on our social media accounts, check out our Facebook and Instagram below. And if you want to do a favor for us, if you have any questions, please comment. We're happy to make any videos that you guys have. We'll see you next time.